Hello, good day. Today I will show to you the phase 3 of my application in K1 visa or fiancé visa. Let me share my screen to you, the step-by-step process. So please watch. Let's go. There you go. So first go to Google, okay? In the Google, on the search bar or in the URL, you can just type the select, that is the St. Luke Medical Center Extension Clinic. Select login because you need to create your account and then click this one. You can see here, click this first website. There you go. Let's click. Okay, we can see here their website, and you can also see here my name, which is Welcome Bashang. That's my name. I already have my account, so it's automatically signed in. So let me show you now how do you start. Once you log in, you need to do the registration, okay? Start individual appointment, choose the country, so that is USA because we are doing the K1 visa. Next is the calendar. You can see the calendar here in May. It's already red, not available. So let's proceed with the month of June, which is there are green here. We can choose the day that we want. For example, I want June 9 and I want the time 11:30. The earlier, the better. Let's try to find 4. Okay, so June 4, the earliest time is 9 a.m. So better to get the earliest time if possible. Then click next. After choosing the day and the time, you need to put all your your NVC case number, your visa category, and all the needed information you need to uh, type correctly with the correct spelling as well and correct data. Once you put all the data needed, you will receive an email. So let me show you now an email. There you go. This is the email that you will receive. You can see here. This is the email that I have received last February 12, 2026 with the time 8 o'clock a.m. Okay, and you can see here also my name. Okay, there you go. You can see my name, the day, the date, the time, and all the reminders as well. So you can see here what are the requirements for US medical examination. So here it says it takes up 2 to 3 working days. Why? Because first day, check nila yung mga kailangan i-check sa katawan mo. The next day, okay, that is the first day. The next day is your, what do you call this, vaccination, if you needed more vaccines in your body. For the other day, it depends if you have severe cases like sputum. But for now, let me show you what are the required documents, and you need to put those documents inside a short envelope in this exact order. So first we have the medical examination appointment confirmation email. Ito yun, na ma-receive nyo ito. Printed or digital copy of the proof of payment online. Okay, so it can be you can pay the medical through credit card, and then cash is very okay. I use cash for the payment. Then you need you will receive a receipt for that. Okay, so keep the receipt for the payment, and then passport. Passport or any valid ID. You can see here the available valid ID that they can accept. Next, we have the vaccination records. You need to bring your COVID vaccination in your past vaccinations. If it's can, it's okay. Just let them know what are vaccinations you had and you didn't have. Then visa interview appointment letter. Okay, you will receive also that information in your email. Then letter with case number K1 FTP letter K1 visa. So this one, the K1 FTP, normally your fiance from the US will receive this letter, photocopy it, and don't forget the DS-160 confirmation for regular immigrants, 1 photocopy. I would suggest 2 copies each para may backup kayo in case nabasa yung mga documents niyo. Okay, so let's proceed now with the next step. So again, these are the requirements. Next is it shows here if you are minors, okay? If you are minors, 17 years and below, who will not be accompanied by their parents, you need a letter of authorization and copy of parents' valid government signature bearing ID, one photocopy, an authorized companion with valid ID then also. Okay, agents are strictly not allowed inside the clinic premises. Kayo lang, okay? And it's reminder here, applicants who wear contact lenses should bring container and soaking liquid in case they are asked to remove the lenses during the medical exam. Okay, there you go. Next, you can also, for in case you have problem, di ka naka-attend, you can do the rescheduling here in the website. You just go here in this website. Okay, so saan nga ba yung St. Luke? So I'm gonna walk you through here. This is the exact address of St. Luke. Okay, just a second. Let me share it to you again. Again and again and again. Okay, just a second. Okay, so this is the address of St. Look, so we have here St. Luke Medical Center Extension Clinic, Manila. Clinic address is 1177 George Bocobo Street, Ermita, Manila. We have the telephone numbers, clinic schedule, and for more information or detailed information, go to their website. Do not believe in social media that they are from Slack, especially WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram. They don't use those social media for their service. Okay, modes of payment. Okay, as you can see here, there are different kinds of modes of payment. What I did in my experience is cash. But you can do cash payment, credit card, or online credit card payment, or use the security bank bills payment. But I would suggest cash is okay. Very, very organized naman sila dun. Very systematic. Natapos ko agad ang aking medical for just less than 1 hour and a half. O, diba? Ang bilis. I love it. Worth it naman yung binayad. Okay, now, payment reminders. Again, do not believe, okay, yung mga ano dyan, mga social media again. Be careful. I prefer, ano talaga, cash. Okay, next we have, what else? Do we have any reminders? Okay. Okay, this is the amount, how much you pay. In my case, it's 28,650 pesos. I'm not sure if nagtaas na, pero pag nagtaas siguro mga ano lang yan, magiging 29,000. Mga 1,000 lang or 500 yung dagdag. But just bring 30,000 para may backup ka, di ba? Okay, maingay yung aso, pero okay lang. Okay. So, there you go. Pag ano pala, 15 years old below, um, 50% discount. Pag 15 years above, syempre ito. Almost 30,000 sabihin mo na. Alright, so there you go. So far, you will receive this email in your case once you register online in their website and get your schedule. So that's all for the requirements and process of Slack. For the next video, I will share to you my experience inside the Clinic of St. Luke. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you have questions and suggestions about the video, just comment down below and please don't forget to subscribe. This is Teacher View and have a good day. Good luck. Pray, pray, pray. Be yourself. Thank you.